Hey, Math 10. We're going to be looking at what's called mapping diagrams or mapping notation. This is another way of showing ordered pairs, another way of showing relations. It can be confusing. So I hope this explanation works really well for you. If it doesn't, just know that this is kind of confusing, and you should probably ask a question about it, either in Teams or in flex time, coming on in a flex time. But the basic idea isn't too crazy. Basically, we have a diagram of a relationship, and they use these eggs to show the groups of numbers. Okay, sure, it's great. And the domain, of course, is our x values, and our ranges are our y values. And then there's arrows that cross from domain to range to kind of connect two numbers together. So they're basically asking you to convert from this mapping diagram to the ordered pairs. So you got to put together the x's and y's that match, and the arrows just show you which ones match. So for example, and they even kind of give you a hint. They're like, oh, there's two ordered pairs here. An ordered pair is going to come from an arrow. So just look for arrows. I can see, like in question D, for example, there's 3 arrows. It's going to make 3 ordered pairs. So just make an ordered pair for each arrow. So here's our first arrow, is this one right here. The x value is -1, and the y value is 2. So that makes an ordered pair right there. -1 and 2. There you go. There's one ordered pair. The second arrow is going to make our second ordered pair. It's mapping 3 to -4. So that's x is going to be from the domain to 3, and the y is going to be from the range, that's -4. I mean, it kind of is simple, but in its simplicity, it can get kind of confusing. So watch out for that. I'll show you another example over here. Question B. B is got 2 arrows, but they point to the same thing. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. You just make these ordered pairs. So in this one, it's going to be 2 maps to 2. So 2 and 2. And here, -3 matches with 2 as well. So this will be -3 and 2. What about the -4? Don't worry about the -4. If there's no arrows pointing to it, it's just a trap, really. It's just a red herring that's trying to throw you. I don't know. Just leave it alone. Just don't worry about it. It's the arrows. The arrows will point to the ordered pairs. They'll give you the information you need. So do C and D. Try that out. Check your answers at the back of the book. Enjoy. In question 9, we're going to go the other way. They're going to give us the ordered pairs, and we got to do the mapping diagram. So remember, the number of ordered pairs is going to correspond to the number of arrows. So I see here there's 1, 2, 3 in question A. There's 3 ordered pairs, so you better have 3 arrows. That's the deal. So here I'm going to draw my eggs. Here's my domain. And over here, here's my range. And I'm going to put in my numbers. So for my x's, I have a 1, 2, and a 4. So I'll put those in. It's going to be a little hard for me to draw because I suck with this pen. So it's 1, 2, and 4. Gosh. Oh. That's the best I can do. Over here, I'm going to have, oh my gosh. I'll try again. I'll have a 3 numbers. 3. Oh, actually, I just have 1 number over here. That makes it a little bit easier. I don't know why I'm getting this crazy. Like, I can't even draw a dot right now. So there's just 1 number. It's 3, right? It's 3 in all of the y's. So these are just going to be arrows all drawn to the same number. That one, and that one. They're all mapping to the same number. There's my mapping diagram for this relation, this set of ordered pairs. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what more to say about it. I'm hoping that makes sense. But if you are confused or struggling at all, I'll do another example. I'll see how that goes. Let's do B. Let's take a look at B. This one has 1, 2, and 3 in our domain. I'll put the D up here maybe. And over here, I just try to give myself some more space to the range. So I have a 1, a 2, and a 3. And in my range, I have 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to put them in order. Who's got time for this out of order stuff? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I can draw from my domain to my range. So here, a 1 maps to 3. That's my first ordered pair, right? That one's done. Here, 2 maps to 2. So that one's done. And here, 3 maps to 1. So that one's done. Done! Dunesies! We did it! Okay, so that's how you do it. So go ahead and try questions C and D. Check your answers. If you get them wrong, find out what you did wrong. Send me a message on Teams. Come in flex time, whatever you need. Thanks, everybody.